Hey loves, so this might be the last video I make for the rest of the year until like New Year. Not sure, but I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Everyone enjoy, be safe. Thank you guys for this year. I hope everyone get what they wanted for Christmas. And I just have a quick video part 2 of my DIY ornaments and my Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye. So after I was done making my decorations, I decided to do a little haul for Dollar General because they had some really cute stuff. And these are the little things that I found. And everything was mainly $1. Um, and it matched my colors perfectly. So I'm glad I went into the store because I ordered some things, but they didn't come. I shouldn't have waited last minute for the holidays, but they didn't come. So I got them for next year. When they do get here, they still haven't arrived. But I was able to find some things last minute, and I'm so excited. And I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out on my tree. And then I found this big silver bow for the outside of my door. And it was cute as well. Then instead of making all of my boxes, I found this cute little box. So I had to use it as well. And tell me this isn't cute, y'all. A little mini Santa snow globe. OMG. I loved it when I seen it. It was just cute. I didn't want to leave it. I also found these at Dollar General. And I've been trying to find them at Dollar Tree, but I could never find them. But Dollar General had 3 for $10. And they're 3 different sizes. And I love them. I did learn the hard way, though. They are actually real wax. Now let's get into my beautiful tree. I am not good with fluffing the tree, I guess they call it. So my tree never seems to look full, no matter how many times I play with it. So next year I'm thinking I might get a real tree. I'm not sure yet because I do love my white tree. And here's my boxes I made. I went back in and added some beautiful little ribbons to them just to bling them up a little bit more. And it's a DIY box basket that I made for my mom. And here's a nighttime view of the tree. As y'all will see, I did redo my fireplace. The first one, the boxes seemed to start caving. So this one I made a little more sturdier, and I used some acrylic paint, and the color was pavement. I have my little Santa elves back there. Tell me the little gingerbread house is cute. It came from Dollar Tree. Now with these noodles, I decided to prank my daughter. She loved noodles, and I seen the prank on Facebook. So I decided to prank her by wrapping some noodles, ramen noodles. But the prank did not go the way I was expecting it to go. I was thinking her reaction was gonna be like, "Mama, what the?" But she was excited, y'all. My baby loved her ramen noodles. So this was my video. I'm sorry it's late, but I enjoyed my holidays a little too much. Merry Christmas from me and my family. And I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas as well. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and just keep watching, you guys. Thank you for watching again. Bye, loves.